A darkroom is used to process photographic film, to make prints, and to carry out other associated tasks. It is a room that can be made completely dark to allow the processing of the light sensitive photographic materials, including film and photographic paper. Various equipment is used in the darkroom, including an enlarger pot containing chemicals and running water. Darkroom have been used since the inception of photography in the early 19th century. Darkroom have many various manifestations, from the elaborate space used by Ansel Adams. Darkroom equipment. In most darkrooms, an enlarger, an optical apparatus similar to a slide projector that projects light through the image of negative onto a base, finally controls the focus, intensity, and duration of light. Is used for printmaking. A sheet of photography paper is exposed to the light coming through the negative, resulting in positive version on the image on the paper. When the making black and white prints, a safe light is commonly used to illuminate the work area. Since the majority of the black and white papers are sensitive to only blue or to blue-green light, red or amber colored light can be safely used without exposing the paper. Colored print paper, being sensitive to all parts of the visible spectrum, must be kept on complete darkness until the prints are properly fixed. A very dim vibration of light that can be used with certain negative colored materials, but the light emitted by only the most printers do not use at all. Used for darkroom is load film in and out of cameras, development tools, or film holders, which requires complete darkness. Lacking a darkroom, a photographer can make use of changing bag, which is small bag with sleeve armholes specially designed to be completely light-proof and used to prepare prior to exposure or development. Now we're in the part 2 of the activity. Instrument used in film processing. First, tank is a light-tight container used for developing film. A developing tank allows photographic film to be developed in daylight environment. This is necessary because most film is panchromatic and therefore cannot be exposed to any light during processing. Developing reel. A film reel holds films in a spiral shape. The film is held evenly spaced so that the chemical in the development tank reach all of the film. Opener for film cartridge. Film cassette openers and film retrievers make it easier to work with films in the darkroom and avoid damage caused by poor handling. A choice of two styles of cassette opener means no more struggling with the plastic strip on the cassette. Is scissors. Regular household scissors work fine. They will be used to trim the leader of the film before loading onto the processing reels. Thermometer is an essential piece of equipment for the processing tanks because radiographic film is developed for specified time on the basis of the temperature of the chemicals. The sixth one. A process timer is a device used to time the film and the paper development process. And the seventh one is funnel. It is especially designed with external ribs to prevent airlocks forming and to allow rapid pouring. Is film sponge. After a film is developed and washed, use a sponge to wipe the water on the surface and then dry it to avoid water stains. Film clips, a essential accessory when drying film. After processing, both clips are spring-loaded and have two spikes which firmly grip the film. One clip is weighted to ensure the film is held straight whilst the film dries. Chemical storage bottle. It is what you need to store all the hype of the photographic chemistry. And the last one is beaker, are useful as a reaction container or to hold liquid or solid samples. They also used to catch liquids from deterioration and filtration from filtering operation. That's it. Thank you for listening.